How to use school dashboard. Point 1. How to verify students' details from school dashboard. Visit maharashtracareerportal.com. Click School Login. Login using UDI's code and password. Password is usually first three alphabet of school name @123. Click Verify Students button. Select the students you want to verify. Carefully check the details of students such as phone number or email ID. Click Go to Verify button. Enter the OTP received on registered mobile number of principal or spoke. Click Verify. How to edit students' details. Click My School Students. Click All Students. Click the Edit button against the student's name whose details you want to edit. Enter the new updated details of the student such as phone, email ID and click Update button. Students' details are now updated. How to add and verify a new student. Click My School Students. Click All Students. Click Add a Student. Enter the details of students such as name, Saral ID, class, phone number and email ID. If any other student's profile with same Saral ID already exists, then the profile will not be created in this case. After entering the details, click the Submit button. You will need to verify this newly added students before the student can give the psychometric assessment. For that, go to main dashboard and click Verify button. Select the student's name you want to verify and click Go to Verify. Enter the OTP received on registered mobile number of principal or spoke. How to verify that psychometric and counseling is completed. Click Verify Counseling. Select the student's name you want to verify. Click Go to Verify button. A letter will be generated. Check the number of students in this letter and click I Verify button. Enter the OTP received on the registered mobile number of principal or spoke.